The business world runs on data. Storing, managing, and securing that data is a huge challenge, and that's where cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services or AWS come in. AWS provides a vast array of tools and services, making it a go-to choice for businesses of all sizes. For IT consulting firms, this presents both an opportunity and a challenge. You're the expert your clients rely on to navigate the complexities of AWS and unlock its full potential. AWS isn't a magic bullet, it's a powerful set of tools, but like any set of tools, you need to know how to use them effectively. AWS is constantly evolving, with new services and features appearing all the time. Keeping up with these changes and ensuring your clients get the most out of their AWS investment is a constant challenge. Your expertise as an IT consultant is essential. You need to analyze a client's needs, understand their existing infrastructure, and develop a plan for migrating to AWS or optimizing their existing AWS infrastructure. In the following sections, we'll dive into specific challenges IT consulting firms face with AWS and explore practical solutions. By understanding these challenges and solutions, you can position yourself as a trusted advisor, helping clients harness AWS and achieve their business objectives. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. One of the biggest challenges with AWS is just how many services are available. Need a database? AWS has over a dozen. Need to send email? There's a service for that too. While this flexibility is great, it can also be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to integrate multiple services to build a complete solution. Imagine you're building an e-commerce site for a client. You'll need a web server, maybe EC2, a database, maybe RDS, a way to store images and other content, S3, and a way to process orders and payments. Each of these services needs to be configured correctly, and they need to be able to talk to each other seamlessly. This is where things can get tricky. You might run into compatibility issues between different services or spend hours digging through documentation to figure out how to connect them. Once you've got everything working, you need to ensure it stays working, even as AWS evolves and new versions of services are released. This complexity is where many IT consulting firms struggle. It's not just about understanding individual AWS services, it's about understanding how they fit together and how to manage the complexity. Effective integration and management of multiple AWS services are crucial for building robust solutions. So, how do you handle this complexity? One word: automation. Instead of manually configuring each service by clicking through the AWS console, you can use infrastructure as code tools like AWS CloudFormation. With CloudFormation, you write a template that describes your entire infrastructure. This template is just a text file, so you can store it in version control, track changes over time, and even automate the entire deployment process. Need to spin up a new environment for testing? Just run the template. This approach has several advantages. First, it eliminates manual errors. If you configure something incorrectly in the console, you have to go back and fix it manually. With CloudFormation, you just update the template and rerun it. Second, it makes your infrastructure repeatable. Want to spin up an identical environment in a different region? Just use the same template. CloudFormation is a powerful tool, but it's just one example of how automation can help you tame the complexity of AWS. By embracing automation, you can free up your time to focus on higher-level tasks, like designing and implementing solutions that meet your clients' specific needs. Automation is key to managing AWS complexity efficiently. Embrace tools like CloudFormation to streamline your processes and enhance productivity. Section 4. Locking down security in the AWS cloud. Security is paramount in today's digital world, and the cloud is no exception. AWS security relies on the shared responsibility model. AWS secures the infrastructure, you secure your applications and data. Use AWS tools like IAM and MFA for access control. Manage encryption keys with AWS KMS. Adopt a security-first mindset and follow best practices. Stay updated with AWS security features and best practices. Your expertise in AWS security is a significant value add for clients. Section 5. Cost optimization. Getting more for your cloud dollar. Cloud computing offers significant cost savings. Pay only for what you use. unlike traditional infrastructure, but be cautious of unexpected costs. Help clients optimize AWS costs, understand the AWS pricing model, optimize usage and choose cost-effective instances, implement auto scaling, continuously monitor and optimize, save money and maximize AWS investment. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.